So this is what we're making, small decorative shot to solder on. I'm going to solder it onto a bracelet. We're going to make shot, which is just big melted balls. And what you can do is, if you want consistently the same size shot, use jump rings. You can experiment to get the size you need. So this is one, and we melt it into a ball. And I want a bigger one, so I'm going to melt 2 jump rings together. Yeah. Now we'll quench these. You'll notice I didn't put any flux on these. And after they dry, I'll show you why. Now this is what they call a shot plate, and you can see it's made by Tucker Tool Company, and it's available through Tucker Tool or Monster Slayer. So all I'm going to do is put the appropriate size shot in the little depression, and the bigger one, I'm putting it into a bigger depression. And I'm just going to take my hammer and I'm going to hammer it right in. And you can see that it makes these great little shapes. Now, if it doesn't come out, what you do is you take your center punch, punch it right in the middle, and these make fantastic little shapes that we can sweat solder onto other things. It's a great little device. Now, if you've had to drive your punch into the back of one of these decorative shots to get it out and it doesn't come off, just grab it with your parallel jaw pliers. Give it a bit of a wiggle and it'll come off. Now, at this point, we want to file or sand the back of these flat. And then we'll tin it, which means we'll turn it so that the flat part is up. We'll flex it, put solder on it, heat it up until the solder flows. Then we can flip it over, position it on a piece of jewelry, and heat that piece up until the solder flows, and we'll have a nice clean solder line with no cleanup. So that's your little decorative shot.